how you can log in Fiverr with different accounts on your mobile device. Now, this simply means that you can use two accounts of Fiverr in a single device. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our new videos. Now, let us start. First, what you'll have to do is go to your App Store or Play Store and download this app right here. It's called Parallel Space Dual Account. Make sure that you've installed it and go ahead and open it. Now, after you open it, there will be few pop-ups. Just tap on next, and this is the initial home page right here. Now here you need to add apps. Just tap on add apps and select Fiverr and tap on continue and just add it. Now right here you can just tap on Fiverr and you will be able to just log in with your different account. Now just it may take some time to load, and there you go. So just type in your phone number right here, guys. Just type in your phone number, and after you type in your phone number, just type in your password and hit login, and you are good to go. It's that simple, guys. All you need to do is download this app called Parallel Space, and that is all, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.